What is Hakata Shona? In the Shona culture, there exist people who are consulted for their deep spiritual powers. They are respected in the culture as being people who can divine messages from the spiritual world by entering into a trance-like state where they communicate with unseen forces to ask for guidance in helping those that seek answers. When a person consults with one of these people, called Nganga, the Nganga will use Hakata whilst in a trance-like state to ask questions about what the individual seeks answers for. The Hakata are wooden tablets, similar in shape to dominoes, with one flat side and one curved side. The flat side has geometric carvings, the meanings of which are closely guarded secret and have been learnt by the Nganga by heart in the course of their training. Hakata are created ritually to detect the causes of both spiritual as well as physical illness. During a consultation, the Nganga throw the Hakata onto the floor, and depending on which way they land, the Nganga is able to interpret the messages from the spirits. Want to learn more about the fascinating country and culture of Zimbabwe? Search for Sarura Kids on YouTube today.